Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Foodtech 360. In this video, we are conducting Kerala PSC Agriculture Officer Exam Mock Test Set 7. It consists of 30 MCQs, so watch till end and comment down your score out of 30. This video is sponsored by India's #1 online education platform, Unacademy. We are so happy and proud to be a partner channel of Unacademy. Unacademy is providing free live classes for Kerala PSC exam and other competitive exams. So if you are looking for a government job, Unacademy is the best place for the preparation. So download Unacademy Learning app from the Play Store and log into the app and choose your required course to unlock free classes. Click on free live classes from the dashboard. After that, it will ask for a referral code. You can use Foodtech 360 as the referral code to unlock all free classes and free tests on Unacademy. Unacademy Learning app link is given in the description. So without any further delay, let's get started. Question number 1. Well-known species Eutrylus eugene used for options: A. Biocontrol of Salvinia, B. Vermicomposting, C. Apiculture, D. Sericulture. Correct answer B. Vermicomposting. Question number 2. Japanese art form using miniature trees grown in containers. Options: A. Ikebana, B. Moribana, C. Nagare, D. Bonsai. Correct answer D. Bonsai. Question number 3. Ananathan is a options: A. Short duration variety of rice, B. Short duration variety of oyster mushroom, C. Bacterial wilt resistant variety of brinjal, D. Bacterial wilt resistant variety of chili. Correct answer B. Short duration variety of oyster mushroom. Question number 4. The disease Catty seems in options: A. Cardamom, B. Banana, C. Rubber, D. Sugarcane. Correct answer A. Cardamom. Question number 5. An antagonistic bacteria. Options: A. AMF, B. Trichoderma, C. Aspergillus, D. Pseudomonas. Correct answer D. Pseudomonas. Question number 6. Ingredients involved in chestnut compound. Options: A. Copper sulfate plus lime, B. Sodium bicarbonate plus soap, C. Copper sulfate plus ammonium carbonate, D. Calcium carbonate plus soap. Correct answer C. Copper sulfate plus ammonium carbonate. Question number 7. Ministry of Agriculture Government of India launched Kisan call centers on options: A. 2004 January 21, B. 2004 May 1st, C. 2005 January 21st, D. 2005 May 1. Correct answer A. 2004 January 21st. Question number 8. The major pest of coconut rhinoceros beetle coming under the order. Options: A. Lepidoptera, B. Coleoptera, C. Hymenoptera, D. Orthoptera. Correct answer B. Coleoptera. Question number 9. Which of the following is registered society of key stakeholders for sustainable agriculture development in the district? Options: A. KVK, B. Leeds, C. Atma, D. Sameti. Correct answer C. Atma. Question number 10. The tetraterpenoid compound obtained from the neem tree. Options: A. Rotenone, B. Pyrethrins, C. Azadirachtin, D. Rhyania. Correct answer C. Azadirachtin. Question number 11. Mish Golage is a options: A. Rubber tapping knife, B. Rubber roller, C. Rotavator, D. Conoweeder. Correct answer A. Rubber tapping knife. Question number 12. Which one is a contact poison? Options: A. Phorate, B. Sevin, C. Monocrotophos, D. Dimethoate. Correct answer B. Sevin. Question number 13. Green facade is options A. Bonsai, B. Growing medium, C. Aquaponics, D. Vertical garden. Correct answer D. Vertical garden. Question number 14. The commonly called white muscadine fungus is options A. Beauveria bassiana, B. Bacillus thuringiensis, C. Metahizium anisopliae, D. Verticillium lacani. Correct answer A. Beauveria bassiana. Question number 15. The type of propagation based on the principle of totipotency. Options A. High-tech farming, B. Precision farming, C. Micro propagation, D. Seed propagation. Correct answer C. Micro propagation. Question number 16. The signal word danger on the upper triangle of insecticide label indicate options A. Moderately toxic, B. Highly toxic, C. Slightly toxic, D. Extremely toxic. Correct answer A. Moderately toxic. Question number 17. How much copper sulfate required for the preparation of 5 liters of 1% BM? Options A. 0.5 gram, B. 5 gram, C. 500 gram, D. 50 gram. Correct answer D. 50 gram. Question number 18. An ornamental plant suitable for approach grafting. Options A. Thuja, B. Champaga, C. Lawsonia, D. Mango. Correct answer B. Champaka. Question number 19. Dried rose petals are called options A. Kadav, B. Pankuri, C. Potpourri, D. Corsage. Correct answer B. Pankuri. Question number 20. Quick wilt of pepper is a options A. Airborne disease, B. Seed-borne disease, C. Soil-borne disease, D. Waterborne disease. Correct answer C. Soil-borne disease. T20 test series is one of the largest online free test series in Kerala for LDC prelims. The series will have daily practice test of 20 questions on India facts, Indian Constitution, Kerala facts, mathematics, science and current affairs containing questions from the important recent topics and mock tests aimed at the upcoming exam, one topic per day as per the schedule. The test has been created by the best minds in Kerala PSC exam preparation domain and is also aided by the combined knowledge base of the finest educators we have in our platform. All Kerala ranking for the test would be provided if you take up the test live. You will also have the facility to write the test even after the live test is over. The test paper would be available in Malayalam only. Question number 21. Select the disease caused by Phytophthora. Options A. Blast of paddy, B. Wilt of banana, C. Brown spot of rice, D. Bud rot of coconut. Correct answer D. Bud rot of coconut. Question number 22. The proper order of steps in tissue culture. Options A. Callus culture, sterilization, incubation, inoculation, subculturing, B. Sterilization, callus culture, incubation, inoculation, subculturing, C. Sterilization, inoculation, incubation, callus culture, subculturing, D. Sterilization, subculturing, inoculation, incubation, callus culture. Correct answer C. Sterilization, inoculation, incubation, callus culture, subculturing. Question number 23. Choose the character which is not applicable to parasitoid. Options A. Size is very small compared to host, B. Destroy host individual, C. Comparatively of same size of host, D. Host and parasite of same taxonomic class. Correct answer C. Comparatively of same size of host. Question number 24. Which of the following is a floating plant? Options A. Vallisneria, B. Nymphaea, C. Nelumbo, D. Lemna. Correct answer D. Lambda. Question number 25. Nata de coco is the value added product of options A. Cocoa, B. Coconut, C. Banana, D. Pepper. Correct answer B. Coconut. Question number 26. Bavestin is a options A. Inorganic fungicide, B. Organic fungicide, C. Organic insecticide, D. Inorganic insecticide. Correct answer B. Organic fungicide. Question number 27. Jute cultivation in India is concentrated in the delta area of which of the following rivers? Options A. Ganga, B. Mahanadi, C. Brahmaputra, D. Godavari. Correct answer A. Ganga. Question number 28. An example for formal garden. Options A. Mughal garden, B. Lal Bagh garden, C. Ooty garden, D. Malambra garden. Correct answer A. Mughal garden. Question number 29. Optimum storage temperature of brinjal. Options A. 12 to 13 degrees Celsius, B. 18 to 21 degrees Celsius, C. 8 to 10 degrees Celsius, D. 16 to 20 degrees Celsius. Correct answer A. 12 to 13 degrees Celsius. Question number 30. IPDM means options A. International Program for Disease Management, B. International Program for Developing and Marketing Agriculture, C. Integrated Post Cultivation and Disease Maintenance, D. Integrated Pest and Disease Management. Correct answer D. Integrated Pest and Disease Management. Now comment down your score out of 30. If you have missed out our previous videos, we have linked them down in the description. For daily updates and study materials, you can join us on our Telegram channel, Facebook and Instagram. Unacademy has started free test series for 10th level prelims. The test will be as per the syllabus of 10th level prelims. All questions has been made by the top educators of Unacademy. Detailed explanation will be available at the end of the test. So enroll now for free. You can use FoodTech360 as the referral code to unlock these test series. Link for this test series has given in the description. Unacademy has started a course for 10th level prelims from December 2nd. In this course, top educators will help you prepare for 10th level prelims exam. The course will be helpful for aspirants preparing for Kerala PSC. Learners at any stage of their preparation will be benefited from the course. All doubts related to the topic will be clarified during the doubt clearing session in this course. The course will be covered in Malayalam and the notes will be provided in Malayalam. So join this 60 days course to get a successful result in your prelims exam. You can use FoodTech360 as the referral code to get 10% discount on your subscription. Also don't forget to download the Unacademy Learning app. Link is in the description.